Nakahanap na ako ng great Chanel Allure Home Sport alternative and hindi din siya mahal. The fragrance that I'm talking about is from HSI and yung kanilang reformulated Allure Home Sport. Meron akong Allure Home Sport nila dati pero malayo siya, but this new reformulated fucking slaps. Don't worry, I'm kinda credible sa DNA ng Allure Home Sport since na-try ko na lahat ng Allure Home flankers, including si Superleggera, pero I haven't tried pa si Cologne. If hindi ka pa familiar sa DNA of Chanel Allure Home Sport, it's basically this citrusy, clean, aromatic, aldehydic scent with a creamy sandalwood dry down. Easily one of my favorite DNAs. For me, it's basically Versace pour home but more higher quality, mas elegante, creamy, and masculine. So, kamusta ang take ni HSI compared to the OG Allure Home Sport? So, ang take ni HSI is less citrusy and aromatic siya, pero kuha as in yung aldehydic feature ng Chanel Allure Home Sport, which is the important part for me. Kasi it's not Allure Home Sport if wala yung aldehydic feature. Then, less creamy siya sa dry down. Other than that, it's really good and fucking close. Super sulit ang pero mo dito. Sa air, hindi mo siguro mapapansin yung difference niya. For me, there's no need to spend more just for those minor differences to be closer. Kasi for me, this is sufficient enough yung kay HSI. If I could give like a ballpark estimation, I would say it's around 90% close. Yes, it's that fucking good. Man, fucking ang ganda ng improvement ni HSI this year. Holy shit, bro.